C# enum. What is an enum? The enum is also called enumeration. It is a value type. Enum is used to define the set of named constant values. How to create an enum? We use the enum keyword to create an enum. For example, here, in the given example of an enum. Enum is a keyword that is used to make constant members, enum. Fruit is a name of enum. Apple, banana and mango are enum members. What is an underlying type? By default, the underlying type of an enum is int. However, you can specify a different integral type, e.g., byte, short, long, explicitly if needed. In the given example of an underlying type enum, enum is a keyword that is used to make constant members. Oranges is a name of the custom enum. We use typename syntax for making underlying type enum. So, in the given example we have double underlying type of oranges enum. We have specified enum member blood oranges with specific data type double. How to access enum values? You can access the values of an enum using dot notation, like fruit, apple. These values are treated as named constants. The provided example illustrates an enum. Fruit is the name of the enum, and apple is its member. You can use this syntax to retrieve the fruit member. Fruit is the name of the enum, and banana is its member. You can use this syntax to retrieve the fruit member. What are enum values as integers? While the enum values have symbolic names, they are represented as integers in memory. You can explicitly cast an enum value to its underlying type if needed. In the given example of an enum, enum is a keyword that is used to make constant members. Vegetable is a name of the enum. Tomato, radish and corn are enum members. In the given example, we have the vegetable enum with the constant members tomato, radish and corn. We can perform the different types of operations on enums, for example, comparisons and arithmetic operations. Enums are often used with switch statements to handle different cases based on the enum value. This code defines an enum, fast food, that represents a fixed set of food types, sandwich, burger, and fries. A variable fast food is assigned the value fast food, sandwich. The switch statement checks the enum value, and since it matches one of the defined fast food items, it executes the shared case block. As a result, it prints its fast food to the console. What is flags enum? You can create flags enums by using the flags attribute, which allows you to combine multiple enum values using bitwise operations. This example uses the flags attribute, which allows enum values to be combined using bitwise operations. Each enum member represents a flag, and the bitwise OR operator combines multiple values. Dairy user diary equals dairy, milk, dairy. Yogurt means the user has selected both milk and yogurt. This is commonly used when multiple options need to be stored in a single variable. An enum is a named constant value. When we want to create an enum, we use the enum keyword instead of class or interface, and we separate the enum items with a comma. Thank you for watching this C# enum tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.